Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and this video is going to be a deep conditioning video. And the deep conditioner I'm going to be using is the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. That is also, oh wait, can you see it? Can you see it? That is also infused with biotin and encourages growth. Here, let me show y'all how much is in here. If you can see it, I've been using this for a little while. And a little bit more than half of it is gone if it didn't focus on it. I don't have the whole line of the rosemary and mint, so I'm gonna wash my hair with my pomegranate and honey, which is my favorite. And then I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition with this. And so it is a very earthy scent with the rosemary. And then you do, did I rub that on my face? I'm sniffing in too hard. And then you do get the mint. You definitely feel the coolness on your hair, and it does have it's an undertone of mint, but the rosemary is primarily what you get with the scent of this. So a very warm, earthy scent is what it smells like. All right, and I'm gonna show you how it applies, how it detangles, and what my hair looks like afterward. All right, so I will meet you all in the shower. All right, so this is this. So can you guess who I am? Oh dear. Oh dear. Do we know who that is? Look at the hair. Look at the hair. No? Do we know who it is? Or is it oh my? Is it oh dear or is it oh my? Oh my. Oh dear. My dear. No? Do we know who it is? Are we looking at the hair? Are we looking at it? Maleficent. There's a lot of suds in this shampoo, and I was playing in it and Maleficent happened. Okay, whatever. Hey, it me! All right, so I have just finished washing all of the shampoo out of my hair, and I'm gonna go in with the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask that is infused with a biotin that does encourage growth. Now, a few things I do wanna mention before I go into it is that, number one, it says that you're supposed to leave this in for 15 to 20 minutes after shampooing, and it does not have parabens, sulfates, no paraffins, mineral oils, no DAs, no animal testing. So discussed this in the other my other videos with the Mielle Organics. So as we know with this line, it doesn't have any other bad things in it. A few things that I did want to mention is that it does have in it, in addition to water being number one, and then with aloe leaf juice being in the top 5, some of the more beneficial things that go along with the hair strengthening and the biotin, which is going to encourage growth, is nettle, which I did discuss in my facts video, but rosemary is another thing that is beneficial for hair growth and strengthening. Along with that, there's also honey in it, which means that this is not a vegan product because it does have honey in it. It is not vegan, but honey does help with helping to retain moisture. So another thing that it does have in it is babassu oil, which I did talk about in the Mielle Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. There are a lot of things that in addition to the rosemary and the mint that are in here that are going to help with strengthening hair, and it's also going to encourage growth, you know, who doesn't love it? You know what that is? Growth. All of these videos that are around the Mielle line and some of the other facts will pop up at the end. It'll be the little white bar, and if you want to watch that video, tap on it and it'll take you directly to that video. So stay tuned to the end to get all of the options on the things that I'm talking about here. So let's go ahead and, where's the front? Let's go ahead and, as you can see, it's not moving. Let's take a glump. So taking a glump, and if we are doing our lotion comparison, ooh, this would definitely be a dry skin lotion texture because it's coated. All right, so I'm gonna add it through. Now it doesn't say that you can detangle with it. I'm going to attempt to though, and I'm not detangled at all. So Let's try this and see how it works for detangling. Well, it's not giving me the most slip when it comes to being able to detangle. That's a finger detangle. So let's coconut comb. But I like to see typically how my conditioners and deep conditioners work when it does come to detangling. This does not appear to be the one for that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest off camera, and then I will come back. Okay, so the deep conditioner is completely applied, and this is what it's starting to do to my hair. Shower cap. Scully to keep in the heat, because I'm doing stuff. I'm not sitting underneath the dryer. So we'll use this. All right, 10:33. We'll be back. I am back. And let's take off the shower cap. See how it looks. There is no, as you saw, I was glumping it. There were glumps. I was putting a lot on my hair. So there is still some sitting on top, but compared to how much I had on my hands, a lot has absorbed into my hair. Okay, so in the ingredients list here, I don't see protein. Typically that would be listed here unless protein has some other type of name. There's a ton of oils in here more than anything else. So yeah, I don't see that this has protein in it, so it might be safe for those of you who are protein sensitive. Yeah, it looks like it may be. But anyway, yeah, it's going on 12 o'clock. So yeah, this has been sitting in a lot longer than what was instructed, but I was doing things. Let's rinse it out. All right, so I am entirely rinsed, and this is what my hair is looking like. So here's the back. You can see it. Back is generally agreeable. My front, oh my goodness. Are we seeing it? Are we seeing it? Clean the screen because I want to make sure that you see it. It's good. It is good. Look at the front. See, I always go to the front because this is my area that is different from the rest and kind of does what it wants. But today, with the help of the Masque, it is being a team player. It is whipped into shape. That's good stuff, kids. All right, so this is a new thing that I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna call it, it's gonna be what it said, what it did, what I want. So what it said, according to the website, is that it is supposed to give my hair some extra love. It is supposed to give it nourishment, health, and strength. Looking at my hair, it definitely did show my hair some love because them curls is bopping. They is bopping. Now, as far as strength, you know, my hair definitely feels strong. It doesn't feel weak. It is soft. So as far as the strengthening, the nourishment, yes, it definitely did that. And then as far as the moisture, my hair is definitely moisturized. It doesn't feel dried out. It doesn't feel like I just put, you know, a mask in my hair and then it was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna curl your hair, but guess what I'm gonna also do? I'm gonna take your moisture. It didn't do that. It gave me the curls, it gave me the definition, and it also did give me the moisture that my hair desperately needed. So as far as what it said and what it did everything that it said that it was gonna do. Now, as far as what I would want from this mask is that I would want for it to have a little bit better slip. I would want for it to be able to help me to detangle my hair. So I did go back and I did look at the shampoo on the site, and the shampoo doesn't say that you can start to detangle with it. So in looking at just between the shampoo and the mask itself, I don't know where the detangling portion of it will come in with this line, but with the deep conditioner, just because it does add so much moisture to the hair, I would definitely want for it to also give me the opportunity to detangle with it. Overall, like I said, and as I showed you, I've used most of it because it does its thing. It works it out. Then you gotta work it out. Hey, then you gotta work it out. Hey. Anyway, yeah, so it definitely does the things that it says that it's going to do. I just wanted to have a little bit more slip and wanted to allow me to detangle my hair. All right, well, once again, this is the end, so look out for the other videos that I said were going to pop up here so that you can click on them and see some of the references that I was talking about. Please comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.